Here's how to play the James Bay song, Save Your Love. Pop a capo on the 2nd fret to get started. For the first bar, we start off with an E minor chord. All we actually need is the 2nd fret of the D string with the 2nd finger. I'm going to play the low E, D and G together, slap, play the bass, and then play D and G together again. Let's go. We go to our 2nd chord. We've got low E string with the 2nd finger at the 2nd fret, and the G string with the 3rd finger at the 2nd fret. I'm going to pick the low E and G strings together, and we're going to immediately play open B and G after. Okay, so we go to our C with a G in the bass. We've got low E string at the 3rd fret, B string at the 1st fret, and an open G, and we play the whole chord together, low E, G and B. So from that 2nd chord, the whole first bar slowly is bass note again, low E string before we slap, and we go to a G chord. We keep the 3rd finger on the low E, and we play open G and B together, bass, slap. So from that C chord, on the whole thing. We go to our 2nd chord again with the low E string at the 2nd fret and the G string at the 2nd fret, but this time we're going to add an open D string in between, slap. Then we're going to pick the bass note on the low E, pick the G and B strings together. Then we've got the same chord again, but this time we're going to pick low E, G and B. Okay, so from there we've got then we go to a C with G in the bass, but we're not going to play the low E string to start with. We're just going to play the open G and the 1st fret of the B. Then we will play the full chord with the low E string involved, but this time we'll take the 1st finger off the B and hammer straight onto it. So. Then we have an open B, slap, back to that D with the F sharp and the bass. So the whole thing so far is E minor, slap, bass high, D with the F sharp for a passing note, open G and B, C with the G and the bass slap, full G, bass slap, D with the F sharp, full chord, slap, bass high, different picking, then the open G with the 1st fret of the B, C with the G and the bass with the hammer on, open B, slap, G with the F sharp, B, and then we finish the song off really easily. Go to a C chord. It's a 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, open G. Pick the whole chord, slap, bass, high, high, slap. Into a G, same thing, low E string at the 3rd fret, got full chord, so low E, D and G. Pick it, bass, high, high, slap. Then we go to our final chord, which is the D add 11 with an A in the bass. Got 5th fret of the low E string with the 3rd finger, and the 4th fret of the D string with the 2nd finger and an open G as well. Pick the whole chord, slap, bass, high, high, slap, full chord, and we let that ring for a full bar before we return through the riff. Occasionally James Bay will play that rhythm twice, so it'll be like a, and then we repeat the entire riff. Make sure you jam along with the original song. It will help you progress so much quicker and help you improve so many aspects of your guitar playing that you can't do otherwise. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.